Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. I'm checking out the UWANT multiple spot cleaner. This has 18,000 kPa of suction. We got instructions on there. Here we have our Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Remover. All right, we have our little brush here. Very nice. Looks like this switches out. So on one end, we got some pretty stiff bristles, and the other one, we got some silicone little brushes there. So that can be switched out probably for like pet hair, for different applications. Looks like that just snaps in there. That's pretty easy to change out. Here we have another pad. It looks like it's got like little microfiber there, and then like another one. Here we have a little round one, very stiff brush there. Little handle. This can be turned into like a little nozzle for spraying, and that just locks into place. You can put it on there and turn it to lock it into place. If you don't want that one, this can be used as a little brush too. Just turn that. Good. All right, well, I got this out. Here is the bucket. So this is our clean water. It goes in here. And then this will be our dirty water tank right there. We can put our cleaning solution in there as well. That just goes right on top. We got this little notch on the front. When you put this back in there, make sure that goes on that notch, and that'll hold that in place nicely. Okay, let's see how long this cord is. I usually like to show that. Okay, there's 6 feet, 12 feet. I'd say it's 15-foot cord, so that's plenty long, usually to get just about anywhere you want to go. About 5 feet. And here this is basically our handle that we can just stick all our attachments on there. Just like that. They click into place. If you want to dispense the water, push this button. You want to take this off. It's very intuitive. Push it on to click it into place. Just like that. So very cool. I like how this can fold around here. Kind of tuck it out of the way if you need to store this. It's kind of handy. All right, on the top here we have a couple of things. Looks like one's water, one's hot water, and one's steam. So that's pretty cool. And then off. So you can use this to clean like, I mean, if it's got a steam feature, it's really nice for like cleaning like difficult spots to get in like your bathtub, maybe by the shower door where water gets down in there and then it gets a little moldy because it's really hard to clean. Shoot that with some hot steam. That's gonna kill all the bacteria or whatever mold that's building up there. Usually makes it just simple enough to just rinse it off once you blast it with that steam. So let's fill this up. We'll test it out on a couple things. Yeah, first impression, those seem solidly built. It's fairly lightweight. I like that it has a nice long cord and a nice long hose here. Relatively easy to reach wherever you need to. All right, friends, well, final thoughts on this UWANT Carpet Cleaner Machine. It's small, compact. You can wrap up the little cord here pretty easily. And this handle will go right on here. Basically, you can just stash it in your cupboard or whatever, keep that out of the way. If you have pets, especially indoor pets that possibly, maybe use the carpet as their litter box, or, sometimes pets have accidents, or maybe they're not accidents, they're just trying to get some revenge on us or something like that. Anyways, yeah, it's very easy to put the fluid in here to empty it out. Let's see. So you can pop this up to add the fluid in there. Just open this, pour it in there. Works great. What I did notice too is that when I'm all done, I can stick all the little attachments down inside this bucket here too. So I noted it didn't have any like exterior places for this to go. So I was like, oh, that'd be cool if they had like, a little attachment place in here. But yeah, you can just kind of put them all right in here and close it up, and it holds like basically all the stuff in there. So that's kind of handy. So my friends, my carpet wasn't really dirty. I didn't think it was dirty. We don't wear shoes in the house, and the pets don't come in, well, they come in about every day, but they're super clean and they never used it as a restroom or anything like that. So I thought, oh, carpet's not gonna be very dirty. But just with that one little patch that I did, it was quite a bit of dirty water came out of there. It didn't look like it was a lot cleaner when I got done. It looked about the same, but I did pull a lot of dirt out of there, which was really impressive because I didn't think it was dirty at all. We saw how it did very well with the dark soy sauce and the ketchup. It just kind of pulled it out of there. And I like how you can see on the front, it just kind of, it's sucking all the stuff right up the front there, and it's really cool. The self-cleaning mechanism on here is really impressive as well. Like you just put on there, because if you were sucking up a bunch of stuff and then you just didn't clean this but left it, you know, just put it in your closet, all that stuff that's in that hose that you didn't clean out is gonna start to smell pretty bad. So I like the self-cleaning thing. Put the nozzle on top and just let it run for a while, and that cleans out your hose too. You can put it away and you're good to go. So yeah, it worked great too for like the steam. I had mold around my, my shower, mold around the molding, funny. Anyways, it got rid of quite a bit of it that was on there just with the steam function, and I didn't use a scrubber at all. And in that one part down where the shower doors meet, that's always a trouble spot for us because we get water runs down in there and it just kind of sits and then it turns into this yucky stuff. So the steam really seemed to help like loosen that stuff up to be able to get it out of there a little bit better. So, and I like with the steam too, it's not really using any harsh chemicals or anything like that. It's just using hot water. On the rims and stuff like that for my car, you know, if you got little trouble spots, you can help wash that off. It did a pretty good job. I mean, it's not meant for like car washing like this pet cleanser, so it did leave some residue on my tire. Obviously, I didn't rinse it off. I just used that and let it dry. So, but as far as getting stuff off of there with that, it works pretty good. On the grill of my truck, I had all those bugs on there. And even when I wash my car, it's kind of hard to get off of there. With the steam function and that little scrubber, got them off no problem. So I'll probably use this when I do my car and have some tough bug spots, because you know how tough those are when the bugs hit your car and they sit on there for a few weeks or whatever. They're really difficult to get off there. Sometimes you got to use your fingernail. With this steam on here, it did a great job. So that was super impressive. So whether you're using this on your carpet or on your concrete floor, it did, yeah, pretty impressive. No stain was left from that other thing. So pretty happy with this. This is not, I wouldn't recommend this for like big, like trying to do your whole house carpet. It might take a while because it's meant for little things. You know, if you have a little accident there, boom, clean it up real quick and you're good to go. It's perfect for that. Or if you maybe spill like some milk or something on the floor, this is going to handle that real quick, no problem. So it's got a pretty big reservoir. It's easy to change this out, to add the water, to dump the water and just rinse it out. It works great. Pretty impressive. Like the little handle on here too. It's easy to carry around and just store it where you want. If your pets have a little accident, you just pull this out, clean it up real quick, and you're good to go. So yeah, all in all, my friends, pretty impressive. It does a great job of cleaning up messes and things like that. I like the steam function, so that if maybe, and the hot water function, maybe if your spot remover alone doesn't do it, you hitting it with that steam and that hot water really helps break things down and pull it out of your carpet and things like that. Yeah, so you can use the upholstery brushes too. My couches, they're kind of like faux leather material, so they didn't really have, they're very stain resistant as is, so I couldn't really demonstrate it with that. But I'm sure if you had like other carpet or like a couch or something like that with like regular upholstery, this thing would work pretty well. I really like that. Seems to like pull that stuff down from deep inside and gets it out of there. So anyways, my friends, if you want to check this out, I'm going to link it in the description below. If you got any comments or anything, hit me up. Thanks for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.